So hey guys, what's going on? It's Halfandro back with another video, and on this video I'm going to show you how to make or create a poll on your YouTube videos. So let's get started. But first I want to say something. My channel was got 3 guideline strike, and for this I can't upload videos, and I was very upset. And I'm trying to connect to the YouTube's community, like YouTube supports and other. I sent many emails but they not replied. But unfortunately my channel videos was disabled, so for this I can't upload videos. But now it was enabled, so I am now trying to upload video. So let's get in the video. First of all, if you want to create a poll, first go and open any browser and go to your YouTube channel. Then make it to desktop side and click on my channel. And here it is, and you can see the video manager. Just click on it and it was loading. Okay, it was done. Now click on any videos and click to edit. Then go to the cards. Here it is, you can see it is I button, or you can see cards. So I was deleting one card because one video was deleted, so this my channel videos is not showing. Okay, it was deleted. Now click on add card, and you can see there is a poll, you can see. And now click on create and add your poll question. I was writing here, do you like this video? You can anything can write on here. I was just writing, do you like this video? And add your poll questions like yes or no. I am adding here yes. And question choose to is no. Now click on save or create card, and you can see it was done. Now go to your YouTube channel and see the video. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up to the video and also subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.